Hey guys, it's Gamer Amari here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to something.
How it goes.
Guess what I almost did today, guys? I almost sent a video where Casey cussed. And then my mom over it's my grandma and dad's anniversary when they got married. But then Casey gonna say her tooth was loose and she can't talk right. What that gotta do with you?
I'm right here.
What that gotta do with you cussing?
Have you ever got your tooth loose?
Yeah, but I can still talk right. I don't know what you talking about.
Man, once he talk right here, I wouldn't, cause
your tooth was loose from right here. This?
Yeah.
That's loose.
That's why I can't talk right.
You talking right now.
I know.
So, you know what? Let's react. Look, we got Epic Games. Wait, we can play? Well, I'm playing Fortnite today.
I played Fortnite when you was gone.
You was playing Fortnite?
Yeah.
On the computer?
Yeah.
What? It got an update. Are you kidding me? Why the screen? Oh. Early access to what? Everybody in the family here.
I know.
Everybody in the McGee family.
I know. And the one that McGee.
Why you calling our grandma by her name?
You said one McGee. So I said one McGee.
No, I said everybody that's in the McGee family is here. And that meant everybody that's last name is McGee is here. But there's another part of the family that lives in a whole different state. But my last name ain't McGee, it's Jones. And guess what? I'm not talking to you, Casey. I'm talking to all the subscribers. Guess what, subscribers? We gonna make cooking videos.
You like to cook, Mark?
I've never cooked in my life.
Me either.
Well, what your people say about going the game club where you supposed to say?
The board game club? She didn't say nothing about it.
So I figure out
I asked her before when are we gonna start the club. She said she doesn't know. I asked her like 4 days ago or something. I don't know. Okay, Fortnite. Get Fortnite. Yeah.
Why aren't you?
Fortnite. Come on. Since Fortnite ain't working,
It's loading.
Well, yeah, it's loading, but it's loading slow.
I know.
Very slow.
I know.
Oh, great. Now it's not logging out Fortnite. Great. That's just real great. Real great.
Where is it?
I was being sarcastic.
Oh, okay.
Nisha?
Yeah.
How you can't hear?
So Omicron?
You have a wig on.
Yep.
Because I can see your real hair.
See your real hair?
No, you can't. This is
That is
braids.
That is. I need to get me out of Fortnite. I don't want to be stuck in this for the whole video. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to turn the computer off and on, back on. Hold up. It didn't work.
Restarted.
Okay, guys, I'm back and it's not working. So you have to be in the home screen to restart. Hold on. Come back up. You come back up down here. Come back up. No. Come back up. Please. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you're on a computer, you can download Screencast-O-Matic and record videos like this right here. This is what I use. This is what I use to make videos. So if you want to become a YouTuber, just go to Screencast-O-Matic, download it, then press launch free recorder, then start making some videos. Let's go to YouTube and find a video to watch. I'm gonna react to Cuphead, cause last Cuphead video I got 510 views. I almost went viral. So Cuphead. We already reacted to Cuphead rap.
I'm already looking in the flesh.
Are you recording? In the flesh? What you mean by in the flesh? I'm not really live. I really don't know.
In my video.
Oh. You know, Mom, you can make videos too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On your phone.
Ooh. I have to try it.
And you can go live.
My mom did that too.
What?
She had videos.
What the? Is this hacking? Can we hack now? What is this? Oh. Cuphead animations. Oh wait. I'm reacting to this.
Mr. Elder Kettle?
I've already said this before.
Cuphead better souls to
Hold on.
Satan, and now it...
I know I've already said this before. This is the camera. It looks like I'm not looking at you guys, but like I'm actually looking at the screen on the computer.
They know that. You recording right now? That's how you know because you're recording.
Yeah, because that's good. So let's get back to the video. So
Kill us before midnight unless we collect the contracts of everyone else who owes them their souls. Do you have any advice?
oh, and this is a game.
Oh, you little rascals. Then you'll want to use this. It'll grant you magic powers. You know, in order to kill demons.
Hey, Elder Kettle, how come you know so much about the dark arts and fighting off demons?
What the heck?
Oh, it's all a part of growing up, I guess. Now run along now. This old kettle needs some alone time.
Why do you look like this?
Mom, watch.
Because I do.
Mom. What the?
That was Lulu.
What was he drinking?
Oh,
What?
Jeepers, these magic powers sure are nifty. I don't think I could ever shoot anybody with it. What about you, Cuphead? Golly,
no.
Mr. Lucifer, them boys are on their way to the casino as we speak.
What?
Oh,
No
man.
way. Hasn't even been an hour.
I'm gonna make a
Well,
double
It
upload
took
today.
them roughly around 2 minutes to defeat each boss. How's that even possible? None of those guys are a walk in the park. I made sure of it. It's almost as if they have some way of knowing and predicting each attack pattern. Almost like they can turn back time and retry every fight. That's just not fair. They're here. Let me take care of them.
Why y'all
for
got
you.
a
Now don't you get out of that chair. You sit right here. Welcome back, boys, to the casino. I will be fighting you today, but I don't feel like getting my hands dirty. So you can roll this dice and fight a legion of my underlings.
Well, we already beat your underlings, Mr. King Dice. Sure.
Dang!
body.
Not my babies. Well,
Yo,
then,
babies.
I
What
guess you
you
have to
mean?
fight the scariest foe of them all. Me.
I'm
Oh,
done.
lordy, that ain't good. So my guests have finally come back to me. You better have my contracts or your souls are mine.
Well, actually, we've already come back to fight you 28 times, and that's the 28th time you've said that.
You did? Well, you can try 1,000 times, but your souls are still mine.
You said that
You
28
gotta
times,
kill him
too.
one more time. I knew it. Now it's gotta be 29 times.
So my guests have finally come back to
Said
me.
that 29 times.
No, Cuphead!
No.
Don't give him those contracts!
Yes, Cuphead. Give me those contracts.
What?
Those contain the souls of everyone you defeated. Are you insane?
What am I doing? I'm looking at my phone.
Golly, Cuphead! You obliterated him! Now we can go back to living peacefully with Elder Kettle without a worry in the world.
What is
Well, Cuphead and his slave Mugman
What?
took over the land with everyone bowing down to them. They had the world in their hands. That's all, folks.
No. I don't want to listen to this. What in the world did you
No.
Okay.
To that.
Bye, Bye, guys.